How to change location on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your location or country location on your iPhone. So let's get started. First things first, open your settings app, and once you've done that, simply tap on your Apple ID. From there, scroll down until you find an option that says Media and Purchases. Now tap on View Account. It may take us some time to load. Once you've done that, simply tap on Country and Region. As you can see here, an option that says Change Country or Region. Simply tap on it. Before that, simply read all the description that has been given that says please note that you need a valid method of payment for the new country or region. So after you have a valid payment method, you can choose whichever country you want, and that's it. That's how you can simply change the location on your iPhone.